Today we're going to need a square sheet of paper for what we're doing, and it's going to be an origami heart box. I've done this one before, but this one's a little bit of a different one. Here's the one I've done before, but oh, it's still got my old message in it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, the one I've done before is like this, but I'm going to take and I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to put this part of the heart up here over on this side, and then I'm going to stick the point on this side, so you're pulling the heart open from the center that way, the other way. That's the variation I made there, but I'm going to make a different one that I just explained. To do that, we're going to need a square sheet of paper, and if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you quickly how to make one. If you're a child, please get an adult to help you with the next part, as it can be dangerous. You're going to want to take printer paper or construction paper or line paper, whatever you have. Probably be nicer if you had some pink construction paper, or I don't know, something like that maybe even would be nicer. But like this here, okay, and I'm going to take, you fold it, make sure it's nice and even, point all the way down the side, and get an adult to help you with this part if you're a child. Scissors are dangerous and they can seriously injure you. Now, you're going to want to cut off this extra piece right here. When you do that, you'll end up with a nice square sheet of paper. Now, for this, I'm going to use this just because it has a nicer design on it, so it's going to be a little bit nicer looking. Now, so if you want the color on the outside and say you got white, you want that on the inside, you're going to flip it this way. What you're going to do, going to fold it kind of like this. Let's see if I can get it.